Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you an easy guide on how to use Instagram Instants. So there are two ways of opening up Instants. Either you can go through Instagram, go onto your messages, and then in the bottom right-hand side corner, there will be an icon there with some pictures. You can click that and it will give you an introduction to how to use Instants. So some important things is the photos will disappear after they have been viewed. You cannot see the viewers like how you would on an Instagram story, but instants are very similar to stories on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and etc. So when one of your friends has posted a new photo, you will be able to click it and see it up here. And as you can see, I can go through, and if I want to react, I can press one of these buttons like that. So in terms of making a new instant for yourself, once you press the capture photo button, it will post an instant straight away. And you can press undo down there if you want to quickly undo that. You can use the flash button and you can flip the camera like hit there. If you want to add a caption to your instant, press the photograph and you'll see an option here to add caption. And here it will appear in the top hand side corner of the screen. And you can take a photo of that, view it. If you want to select who you want to send it to in the bottom part of the phone, you'll see this icon, share with friends or close friends. And here you can select specific friends that you want to share the video to, and then press done. So select one of those two options. So if you want to see the instance that you have right now, at the top right hand side corner of the screen, you will see this icon here, and you will see the ones that you have taken today will appear here. And it will tell you if anyone has reacted to it yet. Here you can save it to camera roll or delete the instant. So that is all of the features of Instagram Instant. It's not very big. It's literally just a application where you can send a photo. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.